Welcome to our fourth quarter carrier update series, where in every episode, I sit down with a different insurance company representative and ask them what you can expect during the upcoming renewal season. In this series, you'll get product updates directly from the carriers, like what do the new plan designs look like? Or is there a network option that you need to be aware of? Or what plan designs offer the most savings potential for your prospects and your clients? Or what tools and resources does the insurance company make available to you in all those efforts? At the end of the day, we want you to win more business and retain your clients during a busy renewal season. So tune in, buckle up, and enjoy the show. Well, hi, and welcome back to another episode of Fourth Quarter Carrier Updates. As always, I'm Jason Powers with Legacy Brokers, and today I've got Joe Colarossi from Beam Dental. He's the Market Development Executive with Beam. Welcome to the show, Joe.
Hey, thanks for having me, Jason. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Well, I appreciate you taking the time out. I know it's a crazy time of year in the industry, all across the country. And we call this series the Fourth Quarter Carrier Updates, typically because we're trying to share updated information from carriers that agents may be familiar with but don't know what's happening in fourth quarter. But we've got a lot of agents out there who've never heard of Beam. We've been quoting it here at Legacy for the past year, but there are a lot of agents that are going to watch this video that have no idea who Beam Dental is.
That's right. So Beam Dental actually got its start in 2012 as a toothbrush company, but we've been writing insurance since late 2015, 2016, and we've been in the Kansas City market as of last year. So we're fairly new in the market, but we have a large presence nationwide and have been doing dental for the past 5 years there.
For sure. And I remember the call. I remember the first call, and I'm going, do I really need another dental insurance company, in our laundry list of dental plans, being that we're primarily focused on group health. But I got to tell you, what excited me about Beam was just the fact that you really did. You started out as a toothbrush company, linked in with a lot of technology, and then moved on to the insurance industry. And it's been the things that I know about Beam and the things that we see with the clients that have Beam, I think it's definitely worth brokers' time to take a look. So why is, as we kind of get started in this discussion, why is Beam different from the competition?
So for those that don't know Beam, the way I like to describe us is that we're an innovative dental benefits company that's combined traditional PPO insurance with rich standard benefits, tangible differentiators through our Beam Perks program, and technology to create a whole new experience for our members and broker partners.
Yeah, and I will say that we have seen all of those things come to fruition with the clients and the agents that sell the Beam policies. The other thing that's kind of come about over the course of the last year is just the massive growth of your dental network. What's new there?
So yes, we have seen a massive expansion there. So we are contracted with one major nationwide network before, but we've added another. So we're now contracted with dental benefits providers, which is a UHC branded network, Dentimax Plus, and then we supplement those with Carrington and First Dental Health, which is a network in California, to give us over 400,000 access points nationwide. So we're definitely really excited about that.
Wow, that's fantastic. Yeah, and I know we can do we can bundle that together with Vision as well.
That's right. So we've partnered with VSP to bundle 4 different vision plans. Starts off at $150 in frame allowance, and then gets richer from there. So we have great rates, very competitive, that your clients will love.
Well, and I can speak to that. I know that it's a competitive rate. The quotes that we typically put together, the agents generally sell the dental and the vision because those vision rates are so competitively priced. It's amazing. It's amazing how more competitively priced sometimes renting the VSP network can be versus buying it outright. But on the dental benefit side, what is it that's kind of different about your dental plan?
Sure. Yeah, that's great. All of our plans can be customized to meet the needs of your clients. So We can turn up and down the co-insurances. We can go up to 5,000 annual max. We can move endo, perio, oral surgery, and basic or major. We have the options for child or adult ortho benefits, and we have a carryover benefit for any unused maximum. So if you're looking for anything specific, just let Jason know, and we'll get that run for you. Um, but the great thing is that we're not picking out of a box. All those plans are truly can be made how you want.
Yeah, and the all the plans I know are customizable, but you guys have kind of this standard set of benefits in your dental plan that's really next to none.
That's right. So those really help set us apart as well. So in the three that I really want to highlight with you are the no waiting periods. So members who haven't had dental before um, will have access to their plan right away. So if just like buying a new car, you don't want to wait a year
Right.
to use your plan. With our plan, you don't have to wait a year to get any work done, which is very important. Um, and then the next one I want to highlight is that our no missing tooth clause. So if a member, had a tooth extracted prior to getting coverage with us, they'll have services covered with us that may otherwise be excluded with a different carrier.
Yeah.
And then the last one is all of our rates are written standard at the 90th UCR out of network. So we really try to focus on having strong out of network coverage as well as having a large, robust network. So plenty of options for your clients to choose from.
Yeah, I know. When we're trying to compare the Beam proposals to some of the other proposals, I mean, those are the things that kind of jump out, right? Specifically that no missing tooth clause and that UCR, the 90th percentile. A lot of plans we see out there that are highly competitively priced, or they're doing a maximum allowable charge for out of network, and then they're trying to say, hey, it's a 180/50 in, 180/50 out, but that 180/50 out really doesn't cover it if they end up going out of network and they're on a MAC plan. So it's Beam kind of coming out with the standard 90th percentile changes the game entirely. And obviously the Beam perks, right? So
That's right.
I know you guys
Fun
started
part.
as a toothbrush company, and I have probably have an old kit here, but I love this whole Beam perks is really what kind of drives the conversation with the agents that I talk to. So tell us about that.
Sure. So the Beam Perks program is essentially a wellness program that sits on top of the insurance product. So, we're changing the way that we think about dental by focusing on being a claims preventer, not just being a claims payer. So we don't just collect premiums and try to avoid claims. We invest in our members up front through the Beam Perks program by giving them the tools they need to prevent claims and then, incentivize them to do so. So every member can opt into perks, including dependents. The parents really love that. Um, they'll be sent the Bluetooth toothbrush and paste, and then have the ability to purchase more refills through our store.
That's
So
incredible. That's incredible. And I mean, when I tell people, no, they send an electronic toothbrush to every member that signs up. That's a real toothbrush. I mean, this is where you guys got your start. This is what you started out as a manufacturer of these toothbrushes, and it's Bluetooth technology, hooks up to an app on the phone, much like we have some medical plans that have a wellness program that ties in and integrates into the health insurance to give members discounted premiums for engagement. The idea with Beam is, if they use their brush and they tie it into the app and that you're tracking engagement in that way, that if a group has a heavily has saturated engagement from the employees, then you guys are taking sort of that aggregate data, right, and then applying it to the renewals. And I know we just started with Beam a year ago, but I could tell you that we know the renewals that we've seen so far kind of spell that out, and it's really helps with that conversation with the client that, hey, here's where your rate adjustment is for actual claims activity, but if we take the engagement score from Beam Perks, it nets out to XYZ or whatever that renewal rate action is. So I think overall, I think it's going to change change the way that that agents look at dental. We applaud Beam for being a part of our market, and I certainly enjoy working with you, Joe. So
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
yeah.
Really love working with you. And if you want to get some Beam perks, definitely reach out to Jason.
We can get them toothbrushes.
Yes.
So agents,
the way to learn about Beam and really get what Beam's all about is to use our toothbrush, use the app, and I think you'll really enjoy it.
Yeah, and so I know that there's been a couple of different iterations of the app. The latest version, I think we were talking earlier, there's more rewards inside the program, so that the kids that are using it are encouraged to participate as well, because any participation and any engagement that we can get out of the family members on the plan, that's going to translate to savings and premiums. So
exactly. So I know the parents really love it too. The app's set up much like a Netflix account, where you have the main account and then have the dependent accounts under it. So you'll be able to see if your kids are lying to you or not.
Right. Did you brush your teeth? All you got to do is check the app. All right, Joe, man, I appreciate you being on again. I know you're a busy guy. Thanks for being a part of this series. Any last words of advice for brokers as they head out into the final stages of 2020?
Definitely try the brush. So reach out to Jason. We'll get you some samples and get an RFP in.
Awesome. Yep. Send the RFPs, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Joe, thanks so much. We'll see you on the other side of 2020.
All right. See you.
All right. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode in our fourth quarter carrier update series. Be sure to check out all the episodes on our website at www.legacybrokerskc.com. And follow us on LinkedIn to join in the conversation. And let us help you with your fourth quarter cases. Whether you have a tough renewal that you need help with, or you have a new prospect, we shop the entire market to get the most competitive rates available for you every single year. Let our expertise in self-funded group health plans be your competitive advantage. We provide an entire suite of back office support services for agents, from quoting to case install and renewal support. We have your back every step of the way. Always here to help agents just like you when you need us. So, send us your RFP today. See for yourself.